Hello and welcome back to another video from Jerba Campervans. Now today we've got a fantastic new campervan to show you. This one has a fantastic spec. You'll see it's a grey Volkswagen T6.1. It's our Cromarty campervan, long wheelbase. It's got amazing spec inside, but we're going to do a quick tour of the outside first. This one has a really unique new product on the top. It's the Kombi-Rak. It's a new type of roof rack. So what I'll do first of all is I'll get you to follow me around and we'll have a wee look. So I don't know too much about the Kombi-Rak, but what I do know is that a gentleman, I believe he's an engineer, decided to make a better rack. It's more aerodynamic, it's more fuel efficient, it slides a lot better, it doesn't rattle, it's very sturdy. So generally, I think he's just trying to improve every aspect of this product. It's a new business, small business, but I think they're onto something and it's going to be really nice. So I'll just show you how it works. If you come a bit closer, you can see we've just got these little pins here, and they just pop out, really easy to use, just like the other sort of racks you'll see out there. We've then got little clips which we can undo, like so, and I'll just do this one as well. And just like similar racks, you just slide it out. It uses a different system. It uses a sort of, I believe it's a ball bearing system. He's got bearings inside here which make it run true and make it run really smooth. But you can basically get to this point here, it then drops down just like your normal racks, and you would have your sort of J-hooks for kayaks. I believe he's got fittings for bikes too, and also fittings for roof boxes. The roof box on this one, if it's on the top, does fold down so you can access your roof box on a level plane. Another thing you can do is you can grab this clip, pull it back, and it will, oh no, I think you need to do both of them. Bear with me, first time doing this. Yep, both clips, and it will allow you to bring this all the way down so you've got easy access to anything that you've got on the rack. And you've got these little hinges at the back just to keep everything stable. And it's very, very nice. It goes away just in the opposite fashion, clips in, and it's actually a lot easier to use, a lot smoother to use than its sort of competition, existing products, and it's all clipped in, good to go. These come in silver, black, and you can also choose a range of colours for the end plates too, which is quite nice. So a little bit of customization and loads of extras that exist out there. So very nice. But back to this camper van. This is a four-wheel drive. It's 6-speed, 150, I do believe. Lovely grey colour, but we'll have a look inside and I'll show you what the conversion looks like if you follow me around. So this Cromarty, as you can see, looking great. I'm just going to jump in and push the roof up. First things first, get the pop top up and then get the roof bed up too. Now this campervan has been spec'd with lithium, so it's got a Voltronic system in the back so we can see what's going on with the lithium battery, and it has one lithium battery under the front seat which is a 100 amp lithium battery. We also have black Wallace hob in this one, which I mentioned in the last crafter video, which is super nice. And you can also see that we've got the sand oak finish on the cabinets, and we've got what we call a putinella top, nice grey top. One of my favourite combos. So I'll just show you where we fit the lithium batteries, and I'll just pop this front seat panel off and you can see we've got our lithium battery in here. Now obvious benefits to lithium, you can deplete all of the charge and recharge it again, and it can do a lot more sort of charge cycles, if you will, than the sort of standard lead acid batteries. They're also said to be more efficient. They should last you a lot longer too, and you have quite a good control with the Voltronic system so you can see exactly what's going on with your batteries. I'll just pop that back on. Now we also have two tables in this van, so you'll see the small table which I've left in. Don't usually show that, but that just goes over the passenger seat just like so. We've also got a big one in the back if you can sort of poke your head in, which clips on here, and I'll just unclip it for the sake of this video. So we'll just pop our table leg out from the front there, pop it into our table, and that just clips onto the rail just here like so, giving us two tables in this long wheelbase van. Then I can sit back, use my table to do a little bit of work, slide it out of the way if I want to, and there we have it. Now, because this is a long wheelbase van, we do have 3 seat belts in the back, 129 centimetre wide rib bed. What I'll do is I'll put the table away and I'll just show you what that looks like. So like I say, we'll just have a little look at the rib bed. I'll just move this mid screen, and super simple. I've showed you this many times before, but you basically just pop the base over like so, giving you access to all that storage inside. Now, this one I'll just pop down, and I've got the back part which I can have upright, or I can drop it down to make a sort of full bed. And there we've got our 129 centimetre wide bed, and I do believe with the extension this can go as big as 6'3" long. So nice long bed, nice wide bed. I'll just pop it out of the way. Now, we've also been updating our shop on the website, so I'll give you a little look at the Jerba mid screens. Perfect little Christmas present. If you can get one in time, if you order before, I believe, the 18th of December, I think we can get them to you. But we've got little mid screens here, and these basically just go on the original windows like so. They have to have original Volkswagen windows, but there's a lot of information on the website about it. And they're basically just going to stop any midges or any little creepy crawlies getting into your van when you've got your window open. So a nice little additional feature. And we have got some new products that we will be launching on the web shop soon. So do keep an eye out, and we'll update you on those soon. Now, I think we'll do another more in-depth video about the rack that's on this van. It is a new product. We're testing it out ourselves, but it honestly seems fantastic so far. No complaints whatsoever. So it'd be good to do a dedicated video to that. If that's something you'd like, please do let us know. Just a really quick tour of this camper van today while it was in. It's a really good spec. I thought you guys would like to see it. So please let us know, as always, what you think in the comments. Please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.